The boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red one.
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
This is the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Check.
Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Mr. Brown Bird, big up yourself. Missy, big up yourself. Atlanta, large up. Big up yourself. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. I want to bless up to everybody at Jamaica. Big up yourself. Prezi, which one of them here? This a record. Are the same thing from both of them? No? Okay, are the same thing. I two one must look bigger than the other one. Me attack the video screen thing there, you know. Big up for yourself, people. 27th of September, the best month in the world. The 27th of September, the 27th of the best month in the world. Monday the 27th. Clat. And when the month done? 30 days of September, April, June, and November. All the rest of 31 days except February alone, which has but 28 days and 29 in each leap year. President, we have to learn that America too. We have to learn that look at something too. And I'm going to sing it with the same rhythm like we're going to sing it with the same rhythm. But we don't learn it word for word like how we do it. But we don't sing it like how we sing it down. Oh, so when we do it in America, it have no rhythm and vibes like how I want down. Now, my president, come answer this quick. Come on, know. Well, I make a turn on a microphone and whatever. Like in America now, well, I'm turn on my it work.
Yeah, I have local vibes to it. What is it? 30 days past September, April, June, and November. It's not a leap year. February.
No. Say it how to learn it.
That's how we learned it. 30
so
days.
we not sing it like we.
No,
say it. We just talk it.
Yeah, that's it.
We never learn how to sing it in that school.
No.
That me I telling you, hey, you see how the Caribbean full of vibes though. So we never sing it. We didn't have to sing it, you know, man.
No.
30 days of September. We all mix it up. 30 days of September, April, June, and November. All the rest of 31 days except February. Be a things, man. Anyway, President, big up yourself. We're there. It's all about the jugglings right now. Good night, people. Everything is everything, people. Why people stay so? Listen them two quick mix up, you know. Listen them two quick mix up, you know. So this man, the two man and woman there, right? The man start tell the woman say the relationship have to done because him not happy, him not feel happy. You know, they look at talk. It's not you, it's me. Him not that panar, you know. So the whole time him there they want to leave and think, the woman a bad him and I say, yo, me could try for work it out now, whatever. And him there they keep on a tell the woman, no. Him want move on, no. Him want move on, no. Him want move on. So this go on for 7 months. 7 months the woman a try work out the relationship. And him keep on and say, no. She need to move on. And him a tell she to move on. No. All right. So after boy in 7 months now, she start bother him back. So him notice it, you know. When him notice it, him conclusion was, okay, she finally a Lego now. And him cool, and him there do him thing, and she start bother him. After 4 months, after the 7 months, him find out say she have a man. This man, you know, I go move back to the woman now, and I say, basically, she a dirty woman. Because she have a man and never tell him. So, of course, she do what it makes sense she should have do. She said, but no, me been a ask you for make her work it out. The whole time when you talk about say you want to go on, me I tell you, say, no, me could stay together and try this thing. Yeah. And you keep on and say, no, me for move on. So, yeah, me move on, I'm find somebody. But he must say, no, but you should have tell me when you move on. So she said, no, me never did have to tell you nothing when me move on. Since you done the relationship and I tell me if you move on, me never obligated to tell you. Him depend this thing I say, she a dirty woman. Well, I mean I use dirty woman, I never said that. But him basically I say she go wrong this. She go low. So him start texting Pana about, we need to talk about this, So she said, no, we don't need to talk about nothing. She said, no, we don't need to talk about nothing, no. Him no depend for your case, boy. She never respect with them have and all them something there and whatever, and him understand, say, he was telling her to move on and whatever for 7 months, you know. And, but she was still under some obligation for tell him, him basically say, at the time when you the keep on a try to save the relationship and me keep on a tell you say done. When you did reach that point where you find somebody, you were obligated to tell me that you found somebody. People, you know, say a foolishness in my chat, right? A foolishness in my chat. And oh, that go down now, what happened to she? It remind her of what it happened to one of your brethren, who at the reverse is a man. And in the man case, the woman go to him now. This affair, this happened before, this happened long before now. But the one I just tell her happened recently. But it makes she know, I remember now what it happened to fear male brethren. And in that case, him have a woman and thing and whatever. And she reach a point where she, you know, she start move X, you know. She start move certain way and whatever. So he dog say, what go on? Boom. And she say, boy, she don't really want to continue with this, you know, and thing and whatever. And he must say, you know, he must reach out back to her and all these things and whatever. And she just hold it and say, nah, you know, she not really happy and all these things and whatever. And similar thing, you know, and him they try save it with her and whatever. So, him say, he reach a point now where when them in a relationship, there are certain things where him used to take care of. You know, where, you know, there are certain things where him used to pay for. There are certain things where him would have do with her and him pay feet and all them something there. So, that did reach a point now where she said she no longer wants anything from him. So, him, because she don't want no confusion. So she said she don't want basically I take him things, I take him money, have him a pay for things same way, or I go out with him anywhere where him a pay for the something them and all them things. So she said she don't want no confusion, she just want it clear. So him say at the time when she reach a level, him say I saw him know say she serious. Cause him says that woman she old school like that. Her thing is the man must pay, if she and the man there, him must pay for everything. So him say him never have a problem with that. Him say him never ever planned for pretty much pay for everything associated with her. So him said that was how for them relationship was. So him say when him reach a point now where she stopped taking anything from him say, at this time no say the relationship done. So him move on and find somebody. One day, the woman who him there with, and this was about 4 or 5 months after him move on, the new woman who him there with now, she said she just come out of one business place, one office, and want call him. And said she just come out of one business place, and one woman come up to her and I call her home wrecker and all them something there. So him say when him get the call, him say, what? What? And I say, which woman this? And she say, yeah. She say, she had the woman who accost her. A-C-C-O-S-T, accost. That word I always find interesting, you know, because cost, C-O-S-T, means how much something, the value of something, where you have to pay for, you know, a penalty. And accost, A-C-C-O-S-T, mean, you know, to approach aggressively, you know, to, you know, whatever. That's an interesting sidebar there. But anyway, you know, Raga weird. But anyway, so, only for find out, not the woman when him did there with left him, somehow she end up in the parking lot and move to the woman who him there with right, you know. So him say, put her up on the phone. So the woman who him there with now said, no, I'm not give her my phone. So him go say, boom, and call her. Him say, hang up the phone and call. So when him call her, she answer. And lo and behold, the woman who him did there with. So him say, wait, what's going, what are you doing? And she said, she tell him, say, him there with somebody right, you know, but based on how for them relationship was, him have to understand, say, she will still care about him and just want the best for him. So, she appeared this woman here, because this woman here is not the best for him. So, him say, but how you know this woman? How you even know this woman here? Oh, whatever. You know, say, she been a stalky man. When the man stop deal with she start stalk the man, you know. And I follow the man and find out who the man there with, you know. And then now I move to the woman who the man there with and I accuse her of negativity, you know. And when the man ask her, say, how you even know who me there with? Me not talk right, you know. Are you done the relationship? Me you not talk and whatever. Fear response going be, she still a look out for him. Even though them break up, she just want to make sure that he doesn't get hurt and whatever. And this woman is not for him. So he must say, but you can't know this woman here. And you can't come at me with them. I'm a grown man. Me know how to pick who me want there with and all them something and whatever. And then she basically make an argument, say, you're very, very kind. And something along the lines where, you know if you take care of yourself and people take advantage of you and Ray and all these things and whatever. And sitting now, you know, and I draw a beer card. So the man said, watch your man, me no want you look out for me. He's a grown man, me can't take care of myself. And whatever. And then the woman now end up, she talk to him, you know. But end up I say something along the line where she referred to the woman as heifer. And you know in America, right, Prezi, when woman call woman heifer, female cow, that's not a good thing, right? So the woman the woman who him there with you now start on it to her. And you know, who you call heifer, Ray. I mean, I use Jamaican, but the American. And who you call heifer and all them something and whatever. And look, argument start and them nearly fight out there and she end up a call police and all these things and whatever. I mean, I say look on them two drama they know. Now, many of you, this not go strange to you, because it's either you go through it or you know somebody who go through it. It's either you go through it or you know several people who go through it. This whole thing where you and somebody involved, the person end up left. The person who do the left thing, the other person I try work it out. Sometimes, I not diss the woman them, but I'm most the woman ball in other situation about man ball too. But ladies, you know that something that, for example, when you end up a ball, go through a break up, ball ups and down and I want to hurt and all these things and whatever. I want to go through one whole heap of ups and down, one whole heap of roller coaster, one whole heap of pain and hurt and all kind of things. Till you reach a point where you cleanse your soul of the dirty boy or the dirty woman, whatever the case may be, and you move on. And then after you move on now, at that time them want to rally back and want to come confuse you and all these things and whatever. Now here's the thing with this now. Very often when those things come about, the common descriptor that is used for these people is that them don't know what they want. Again, very often when them something unfold, one person do the left thing and they abusing and they disrespect sometimes and them something there. And then the other person try save the relationship. And then after the person who try save the relationship, let it go and move on. And the other one, now I rally back. After them see you move on, them I rally back. And I talk about, them want to start it back or come with some card like them two mix up here. Right? Very often when that happens, so many of us we end up saying is because the other person don't know what them want. Him don't know what them want. She don't know what she want. But you're wrong. They do know what they want. Again, when you describe those people as not knowing what they want, you are incorrect. They do know what they want. What you don't understand is that not only do they want whatever else it is where them think better out there or whatever else it is where them want to pursue, and that you are an obstacle and a hindrance in them way to pursue that thing that what them want, so them have to let you go. The other part one not fully realize is that they selfishly don't want you to be happy. That is another thing what them want. So wrong one and I say them don't know what them want. Them know what them want. Them want to be happy. And they also want you not to be happy. The person who them are left, they also want that person to be unhappy. Because when they get what they want in that regard, when the person who them left is unhappy, that make them feel good. Because deep down, they're selfish, narcissistic bastards. That's what's going on. So when you observe them situation, whether on in it or see some other people are go through it, don't say them don't know what them want. 9 times out of 10, them know what them want. It's just that a part of the equation is what they want is for the person who them are left to be unhappy. Because that goes in a sick way that going to make them feel good. Which is contrasting to people who are left somebody because them say for whatever reason them and that person they no match. Or them outgrow each other. Whatever they explain is. But then they are happy when the person who them are left unhappy. That is a healthy situation right there. If somebody are left somebody, and the person who them are left them see them in a pain. And if the person who them are left in a pain reach a point where them move on and find somebody who them happy with, and the person who left them can just happy for them, so them also find somebody who them happy with. That is healthy. Without even knowing the details, what prompted the separation, what prompted the them parting or whatever. But if somebody leave somebody and them in a pain and them have the capacity to be happy for them when that pain is erased and them find somebody with whom them happy, that is a good thing. Because that person has no need to see the person who them a leave remain in pain and misery. That person is going for the win-win. That person say, me get what me want, and me glad the person who me left, them get what them want to. Wonderful. A good somebody that. But when somebody mash up a relationship where you think was a good relationship, and when you are try hard and say, boy, you in a pain and this make work this out and thing, and them no work it out and thing, and them hold them on and go do it for them thing, what make them happy? And when you in your pain and misery and you work through your thing and your family help you through your thing and your friend them help you through your thing and you manage to reach a point where, sure, you build back your now, man, and things are going this. And at that time, the dirty nastiness, them come back and want to come confuse you and say, no, I could start over. And I just realize so and all them something there and them thing there and whatever. And when you use, which cause some people that genuinely happen to them, you know. Some people left somebody and then realize, damn, I should not have done this and whatever. And them really sincere. But what I'm saying is, when you say, no, I am no longer there, and them are going to turn around and come with something for try to demonize you. After them put you there to them pain there and whatever, and after you take responsibility and take care of yourself, and after you take care of yourself and you reach a better place, and after them I come back and I say this and that to you, whether them sincere or them sick or whatever. But if you in your response say to them, say, no, yes, I had wanted to work it out before, but I have gone through this whole process now where I'm at a better place, a healthier place right now. Right? I'm out of the dark right now. I'm in the light right now. And I'm feeling so better about myself right now. I move on. And I don't want to go back there. When them turn on and I try to demonize you and I say somewhere like, you evil lad, I'm come up with something you're ungrateful and you know you're this or you're stupid or whatever, this and that, and them not have the capacity to respect your growth, to respect your journey and where you reach, right? And for, even if them have to accept or lose right this or L right this. I say, boy, I understand, you know, say, that's what she did know. If them not have that maturity there, but they're going to resort to trying to strip you of your growth, strip you of your maturity, strip you of, you know, you exercising, self-help. And I try to make you look like a bad person. Are them evil. So when them in a them position there, and you hear them people talk about, oh, him don't know what him want, or she don't know what him want. No, them know what them want. The problem is, them want to do what them want to be happy, which initially made you unhappy. But then when you know, work through your unhappiness and your misery, and you reach a point where things are better for you, the truth is, they don't want that for you. And people like that don't care how good it was before. The minute them start demonize you because you take care of yourself and you make sure you happy after them put you in a pain and hurt and misery. And if them a try to make you look like a bad person, like you're Satan concubine, like you come from the depths of hell and all them something there, that is not somebody you want to go back in a relationship with. That is not somebody that you want to go back in a relationship with. Anybody whose happiness is dependent on someone that they claimed that they loved or claim that they're still loving, them still love, but their happiness is dependent on that person being in misery. You don't want to be you don't want to deal with that person. And finally on this topic for open the show, one of the ways in which you can know, one of the things where you can match out and reason out and know, say, them people, them sick, is to realize that once you remain in your misery, them never did a drawback for you. Them never did realize this. If them did love you so much, why them never realize when it did still I got through your pain and hurt? Why it have to reach a point where when things get better for you and you're doing much better in life, at that time them I realize that them the people are not good people. We're going to take a break, and when we forward, we'll open the phone line on the calling with any damn thing we want to talk about. Anything we want to talk about, on the call in with it, right? And if we don't have any situation where friend take the friend, where friend take them friend, man or woman, we can call in with them mix up there. Again, if we don't know about any mix up where friend take our friend man, our friend take him friend woman, whatever the case may be, right? Or if it's even a same-sex situation, I want to call in, I want to tell you about it, all right? Carol, what are you listening on? President, somebody said my voice a loop upon something here. You know what? You know which one, President? Eh? Yeah, it start out? All right, yeah. Carol, it deal with here. And you know, President, England, she there, you know. London, she there, you know, man. And she no miss no show, you know, man. And she said, TamFam and Ragashanti straight. Okay, so make sure, say, you take care of her for me, right? She's like family. And while we wait and see if any call come in the hours, yeah, as usual, listen to me, man. If you miss free up Saturday gone, you miss something, right? If you miss free up on the Ragashanti channel, okay, we take off the world. So the channel is now just called Ragashanti. Per request and suggestion, I should say, right? So it's a Ragashanti channel on YouTube, right? That is what it's called. But if you missed it on Saturday, you miss... Yeah, President, she said good now. If you miss free up on Saturday, boy, you miss something. But because of a new thing now when I end up on YouTube and the channel is there, of course, all the shows are still available there for your listening and viewing pleasure. In this case, it's both listening and viewing because it's live video and thing and whatever. Big up DJ Chris Cross and the crew were rolled through, Jimmy Q and Brown Bass and thing. We had fun, people. The show slap where the show sell off. Big up Foul Lady, because a Foul Lady take a show. Foul Lady take a show. Foul Lady turn over the show. You understand? I want to have to listen to know who Foul Lady is. And of course, that is not a derogatory term. That is an affectionate, loving term. She gave us permission to call her. That is, from way back in the day when she did tell we a mix up on my show in Jamaica. Way back. But she called in, man, and in her own little simple way. And her own authenticity and thing, That's why I tell people sometimes, we don't have to call in and make up nothing, If we don't just talk the truth, what happened and whatever. The truth can be entertaining and revealing and educational and engaging and captivating. Good night, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's up?
What's up, Raga?
Why am I there? I give thanks, What I go on with you?
You know how long me I hear you on the ear and me I watch you. Me just done wash and did you watch you on the program and sitting. It's just like hear how you vibes. You're full of vibes, man. This is Daga.
This is who?
Daga. My name is Daga.
Your name is
Daga.
Your name is Daga.
Daga.
Well, your name is Daga.
In Hanover.
Hanover you call from, right? But and you say your name Daga?
Daga.
No, listen to me now. First of all, you have to tell me how you hear that the name. How you get that the name the Daga? How you get that the name there?
I'm a dancing name.
Are you dancing name? I was wondering, if Daga is related to Daga Ring.
Oh, so your name just like how they call Raga?
Yeah.
Just like Daga.
So weird. So tell me something, if I your dancing name, you can't whine. You can't whine good then, man.
Me rotted. Me depend internet, you know, all about, you know, all over the whole city, you know, all in a foreign country, you know.
Allah, yeah, tell. With you a wine? With you a wine, don't?
Yeah, me and the man.
You and the man are what? What you mean, the man? The man are your man?
Yeah,
Are your man? Oh, okay.
yeah.
So hold on now. Oh, me can't see dagger. You me can't see one video with you a wine. You and the man.
Eh?
Oh, me can't see a video with you a wine.
Well, me no know how it go come true. So me have to Nyagawa dead yard tomorrow night.
Oh, you go one dead yard. Okay, so yeah, I one of them things that where you wine a dead yard and them something that you know for do that kind of dinky mini wine there and them something they do.
Me go on go for big dance, go dance, but through the corona coming and then sitting there, so me kind of cut down, but
all right.
no one again.
Don't worry.
No one again. Me report.
Don't worry.
Me
Me.
one day here tomorrow night.
All right. Me will search the internet for you. If your name Dagga Dagga, right?
Yeah, Dagga.
All right. Me I go search you. Me find you. Me I go find you, man. No worry. Me I find you. So what go on otherwise?
Eh?
What go on otherwise?
Me there watch you. Me can't see you. Me only can hear the voice over the ear for a radio me have.
A radio you have. That's okay. When you have time, you can watch it over on YouTube and then you will be able to see me here.
Okay.
Right? Just go to the Ragashanti channel. Ragashanti. You just go to the channel and you will be able to see me. Anytime you can find it convenient. All right?
Aye.
All right. Bless up.
So me there over the whole cut, man. Over the whole cut.
All right then. All right.
Whole cut, dancing cut.
Yeah, man.
Everybody know me as Dagga.
Yeah, man. You tell with that already, but you have any mix-up for share with tonight?
Mixup.
You know no mix-up for share with tonight?
I do have no mix-up tonight.
All right, that is okay. That is okay. But we will search and look for you and we see you.
Mix-up for you tonight. Tomorrow I'll watch you. Watch you tell you more me call Dagga.
All right, then I say a word. So you take care of your putos? All right, blessings, man. Cool.
You want Dagga too there too, you know.
All right, bless him up, man. Big him up. Your blessings, all right?
Yeah.
All right. Take care.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay, so she said she named Dagga, and of course, the man.
Yes, Dagga. Yeah, Dagga 1 and 2. Everybody know we are.
All right, blessings. Take care, here. All right. Hey, President, you don't have to work with me, you know, man. When I follow my lead, man. Follow me. Oh, God. No, Miss B, I gotta explain something to you. Yeah, don't worry. You already know how. Probably don't even need to say it. Yeah, I think, man. Who never watch a juggling, you know? All right. Yeah. As we did say, Saturday gone and I free up door. I think they turn over and we just want to know so the next one this Saturday are forward. The next free up is this Saturday. The week after that, upon the 9th, we're not going to have one that week there because I'll actually be in Jamaica. I am hosting a wedding reception down there in Montego Bay. So I'm looking forward to that. But the next one is Saturday I come, right? Wait, today what? Yeah, Saturday I come. All right, next call. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings, yeah.
Okay, what you do?
Yeah, man. Yeah, always talk low. Talk up low like somebody thief your mama white fowl. Oh.
No. Saturday night, 4 lady, take the show.
4 lady, take the show down.
Yeah, man, we say. Me laugh the whole time, man.
All right. That's why I tell you, know. You see, fam, I tell people, say, you know, if you kill up yourself, you know, if you do well, you know. You understand? You see how she just She just talk nice and easy and whatever. But she, you know, she vibes in her own little way, in her calm little way, and turn over the show, don't?
Yeah, man, me I tell you, so me laugh when me hear she talk. Me say, no, man. She always have something.
Yeah, man. And she understand when she come and read it off a juggle. Prezi, make me see that something there. Yeah, so what, man?
And she take the show.
Yeah, man, and she take the show, man. Without a doubt.
And so we start off with,
Yeah.
me tell you, situation like that, me tell you now,
Yeah.
selfishness.
Selfishness.
That person is selfish.
Indeed.
Because them going to leave and going to something and it not work, them feel so for the other person. It must be the same thing.
But what you think about the argument when I make when I say people wrong when them I say, oh, the person don't know what them want? I mean, I say, no, them know what them want. It's just that them want to also say the person who them are live in a misery.
Them know what them want, but what them want never work out. So because it never work out, now them have to come with something.
No. You're wrong there, so too, you know. A lot of those people, you know, what them want work out, you know. What them want, them get what them want. This is critical. What I'm saying is, for many of those people, what them want, them get what them want. And what them want, work out. But them still don't want to see the person who them leave.
No, that is what, you know. Them get what them want, you know. Them happy, you know. But them hate to see the other person happy too.
That is the point to me I make. That is a critical point that I'm making.
They must always above that person.
Ah, chill. Yes.
And then we do anything, and then when with them side not work out, when their side don't work out, your side not supposed to work out. Only for them side alone for work out.
Well,
your
yes,
side
you
not
do
supposed
have that
to.
set too. You do have that set too. When them leave and for them thing to work out, and then you know, them did have you in a misery. You work yourself out of misery. You're wanna work out now. Things are going good for your life, are going good and whatever, and prosperity.
Them want you back.
Them at that time, them want you back. Yes.
Them want draw back to you, and then now you go back in the same misery, and the same thing has happened.
Exactly. And here
So
one
them
now.
say never you look back.
Well, me not gonna say that. There are instances where people break up, them, you know, them go through them thing, them realize whatever, and them go through them ups and down, and they reunite. And I know of instances where people reunite and it work out. So I know because of a matter of pride, you have people that say, oh, when me left, me not look back. Who me left, me not take back. And rare. Me know that, you know, me know say how people talk so. But there are quite a few people who left, mash up, and then them they back, and it work out. President, let me see this. Let me see the post them. Yeah. So you have some people it work out, man. Some people it work out.
Some people it work out and some it don't.
Right.
Raga.
Yeah.
Chris Carl's grown man. I remember the first day when him come out and he say I go work with the youth, yeah.
See, you mean pan Ragashanti live, right? The show, right?
Yeah, man. Remember the first day him come and
so when you watch Free Up Saturday night at the first, it's a Chris Cross like
a couple of years.
Oh, okay, yeah, man. Boy,
him grown man.
Yeah, man. Him they are the real. They never was a Cross Brown.
No, grown.
Grown. Me
Yeah.
think it's a brown. Yeah, man.
No. Me know him from the first day him come by your show.
Seeing. Yeah, man.
I will say I bring him in a stable, but trust me.
Yeah.
In a good stable.
I'm a little general, man. I'm a little brother, man. Him a go on well and thing, and you know, I'm just so proud of him. I'm just so proud of his development.
Trust me, I'm proud of him. I'm not telling a lie.
Very proud of him. Big up DJ.
And the kids, them resemble him so badly.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Right.
Nobody can call him name a road and mix him up.
All right. See, I theme them, the man. Can't I? Cut to fit.
Nobody can mix him a road.
Cut to fit.
Right.
So,
but brother, me not telling a lie. When me hear say come back on radio, even before the Fana did, Fana said if the dog ask if I can give you more hours. The two was not enough.
Yeah.
And him to get to talk to you about that.
Okay, and him did I go talk to you about that. That's how it going. We give thanks.
The hours them little bit, man. Trust me.
No. Those are in the works. It's
Brother,
just
you know,
that
so I don't listen radio in the night.
you don't listen radio in the night.
And from you come back. And
Yeah.
I find myself I listen radio at night.
Okay, you stay up. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday nights,
Trust
9
me.
to 11. The
Sometimes
bridge
if ever
9 to
hear
9.
me inside here, I laugh. It must have wondered. I wish in the night I laugh also.
That's what
Saturday
it's
night.
Yeah.
Saturday night, my pop up. Poor lady, man. Anybody with me Saturday night, trust me.
Tell them again.
Miss something.
Okay.
The night was the night. That was the night.
See it there? And you don't know, say, it a go there pretty much every Saturday night. Whenever there's a Saturday, I have to work, like on the Saturday the 9th, after being Jamaica hosting a wedding reception. So that not going to keep. But it will definitely be on this Saturday, the 2nd of October. And next edition of Free Up, 8 o'clock, New York, US East Coast time. And 7 o'clock Jamaica time. This Saturday again, Free Up again. I want to have a forward on the Ragashanti channel over YouTube. The Ragashanti channel.
Tell you, man, they miss, all who miss Saturday night, they miss something.
All right, see it there.
Saturday night, take it.
Mad
Saturday. Saturday was, trust me. And she not tell the lie, a true way she had
Yeah,
tell.
man, you can't know when when people that tell the truth and for lady just a keep it
That
real.
Jenny, that I know no makeup.
Yeah.
She don't make up nothing.
Yeah, it is nice, man, but I like.
You know, stop laughing, Raga.
And then the other caller, them did, very interesting and shot too, I think,
Yeah, man.
The lady there, we get the one mind-blowing swipe and said, no more.
Yeah.
No more. No more.
It's too much fair. Probably next time, if she didn't continue with it,
Yeah.
we should lose it.
And you know what? I enjoyed to the reasoning with Patty Goodas was very good with a big mix-up there,
Yeah.
Was the reasoning they did. That's why I tell people you can learn from mix-up, There's a lot to learn from mix-up,
I learn a lot. That's why no matter what me other, when your time come for your show start, me have to make sure that me don't even want to lay down for the bed because I go drop asleep.
Yeah.
Me have to just sit up. I learn a lot.
Yeah.
A lot. Me tell people say, you give my eye opening.
See it there. We give thanks, man. We give thanks.
And I will forever. Anytime you come to Jamaica have your show,
yeah.
me have to find myself. Because when you're there, when you're there, I'm mobile. You know what we do?
Yeah.
We go down from in the morning and go beach and make sure say front seat or our seat.
Blessings, man. Nah, man, at some point, me have a show. When everything, when the virus and everything balance out and thing,
Kind of go down.
Man, we are going to have a local show. We are going to have a show at Jamaica, man. Don't worry yourself. We are going to laugh and bust up and reunite.
Because when you do that, your first show where you have, trust me, if your show starts 7 o'clock, me I did it from 5 o'clock.
See it there.
I mean, I do that for nothing else in Jamaica, just your show. Because when me laugh, laughter is the best medicine.
All right. Now say a word. Blessings and respect here. All right. Blessings, man. All right. Good. And I want to big up a brethren who did call and share with we, call Free Up on Saturday night and share with we, what unfortunately happened to his wife after she gave birth. He said at the hospital in Jamaica and things. So, condolences to him and his family again. But, we just want, acknowledge him and thing and the difficulties that he must be experiencing now, himself and others related to and affiliated with the deceased, his wife, and thing. We just want to say blessings and respect. And we're not too damp on the thing, but again, on Friday, September 17, there is a singer called Latoya Akri. She's considered a soul singer. Latoya Acree. You can look it up if you know want. Right? Latoya. And their last name is Acree. Press, you know the artist there? Eh? You know the artist there? Latoya Acree. This is a mother, you know, and she and her son have an argument and thing. And you know, so the son shot her, kill her. In prison? You never know about that? Yeah, man, the son shot her, kill her. This happened on September 17th. You can Google it. And I was just reading, you know, one of the reports about it, right? See, the mother and the son, you know? See, on Friday, September 17th, soul singer Latoya Acree was found fatally shot outside her home in Spotsylvania County in Virginia after she and her son Elijah D. Smith argued. Smith allegedly shot his mother, right? All right. So, she was in a band, right? And the band was called True Soul. You know, them function out of the Washington, D.C. area. So one of the band members, Cesar, or Caesar, some people say Cesar, some people say Caesar, Roy, you know, he was saying she was really, really happy. Seemed like things were just turning around for her, and this happened, you know? So the son shoot her, kill her. The sheriff's office said that, you know, investigation revealed that there was an argument that occurred between the mother and the son shoot her, kill her. Now, our band member, real quickly, I go into this call. Him now explain, him a give him feedback on what happened. And him say something when me hear people say all the while when some tragedy happen. And listen what him say. Obviously, God had a better plan, a bigger plan for her to sing in. Obviously, God had a better plan, a bigger plan for her to sing in. This is something people do all the while. When a tragedy occurs, and they get into that thing where they have to explain it, and they just say these statements that they're conditioned to say, and they don't think about what they're saying. Because if we were to follow what this man is saying, one, he must say, is God allow our death? Two, you can't even stretch and say, is God cause our death? Three, because God had a bigger plan for her. People don't need to be careful with them something, don't do them thing there all the while. You know. And I understand it, when you don't think about what I say. When you just say these things all the time. So here you have a woman who sadly was brutally murdered by her son. And you have people, this man, who is her friend, who care about her and whatever, and is obviously a man of faith, and obviously is faced with, you know, the dilemma that most people in these instances are faced with. Like, this nice woman, why did she die like this? And when faced with that conundrum, where they are charged with explaining it, why it happened, given that they understand that God is an omnipotent being, the controller of everything. I call it the slave trade syndrome. That is just my term, you know. Because when I was in college, because I was growing in a Christian home and things like that. And when I heard the details of slavery, it mashed me up, you know, because my thing was then, why was this allowed for so many years, this level of suffering? So this is another instance of that. But that statement cannot be right. There has to be another explanation. But that statement that is commonly used by so many people when faced with these type of things, it cannot be right. It cannot be right. It cannot be that God sanctioned that brutality and that ultimate finality, brutal finality to that woman. It can't be. People, God by definition can be wicked, right? So those statements cannot be right. Anyway, to the phone lines we go. Greetings, hello.
Braga, you know, saying on the behavior, though.
What me do that? What me do you know?
I make you feel done the mean man so Friday night.
No, I know, say me never done him. If you notice, I me just drop some serious reasoning upon him, you know.
Braga, you done the man, you told lie.
No, me never done it. No, hold on. How long you listen me now?
Braga, I crave a name I call you, so don't do it.
Who?
I crave a name.
Crazy name? Okay. Now, what me I say, if you are listening to me a long time, you know I cool now when it come to dunning people. Come on now, you know that now. You know that now. When me I done people back in the day, I don't know the normal. I tell
you told this go.
No, me never done him, man. Me just said
I have a question for ask you, Raga.
Say that.
How you da feel if you know say you mate you eat out of one plate of one function?
You and your... Oh, boy, that wouldn't go. That wouldn't go. Tell me about it. How happened?
Well, my sister do it.
Explain. How it go?
My God. We got one function, right?
Mm-hmm.
And our side man and our right foot man, they're the function.
Yeah.
So, I Raga, the side man and the right foot man share one chicken leg.
What you mean share one chicken? Whenever do I cut it up and I shake the one another, though?
No, the right foot man, I get the side man chicken leg to eat. I feed him.
Oh.
One back.
But of course, as is usually the case, the side man say the woman know him a dig, him know fear right out man, but the right out man don't know the side man. The right out man don't know the side man. What?
The right out man know, but the side man don't know.
Now what you saying don't make no sense. I don't understand what you just.
They say the right out man know the side man, but the side man don't know the right out man.
Wait, that don't make no sense.
May I tell you? The side man drive taxi. And go for all the right out man in yard and can't come at the function.
No, but well on, well on. The right out man who asleep with your sister and the sister. Him know who say your sister asleep with the side man?
Yes.
Well on, and the side man don't know say your sister asleep with the right out man?
No.
Oh well the only way that makes sense then is that I get it now. So well on, the side man think him a the right out man then?
Yes.
No, they don't should have explained that to me, man. Because you nearly mad me a while ago, you know. You nearly mad me a while ago. So the side man.
No.
So hold on, no. No, but you see me, I show your life funny, you know. You see, you talk to me now, one, as a man, right? So when you say the side man and you say your sister now, me assume say, your sister define who is who, right? But, so naturally when you say the side man, me think say, your sister means that the side man is the side man. And the right out man is the right out man. But what you never explained to me is that the side man think him are the right out man. When him are the side man. And the right out man, and the right out man, and the right, hold on, and the right out man, you see how me they are Tony idiot, you know. Right?
The right out man know in position, but the side man don't know in position.
Okay. So the side man think him are the right out man. And but him is not the right out man, and the right out man is the side man. Yeah, you see, when you come for mix up all people head in and me and whatever, and you twist up all my head and I turn me in an idiot right here now.
With that today, idiot.
Oh, But what a thing is when you think say you are the man and you don't even know say you are the side man.
Yeah, tell you, the two of them still right out of the one back speed raga. Now the big function too, you know.
So,
you can't you did it.
So, no, but when that would mean then that the right out man. Well, I'm still confused, you know, because hold on. Because if you say the side man,
let me explain
hold on. Let me tell you why I got confused me, I know. Because if you say the man who, hold on. What I'm getting at then, it would mean that the right out man then is okay with your sister sleep with the side man then?
Yeah, man, alright, because the side man drive taxi. You know, hear me say?
Oh, so what that mean? That the side man drive taxi? Who think him at the right man? What that mean? What him a bring in the money?
Yes.
Oh, so you're basically saying your sister, right out man, is okay with she sleeping with the side man who think him at the right out man because him at the taxi man I send the money to the sister where I benefit the right out man who them think of the side man but him is a right out man. So him cool with it because the side man who think him at the right out man I send on the money from him taxi money. That you say?
Yes, you get it now.
You know, so I want to cuss a bad word door. You make me want to cuss a bad word. You make me want to say BB. Well, me glad people are proceed the Barbs and Billy Grove say she confused too. Right? Verse, what a mix up. And you know, say, all right, me glad because sometimes when me not get the things, them beat me. Raga, you're slow like a so see the people confused too. So, no, but let me ask you something now. I want you to keep it real with me.
Yeah, keep it real, man.
Yeah.
The function.
Me know about that part there, but based on what you explain though, big and serious then. It means what the right out man then, him work?
Him work, yes.
But all right, if him are the right out man, you explain to me why the comfort and I mean apart from all right, wait, what him licky and just want more money or really a sister run off with two of them. Mind the two of them are two side man really as far as your sister concerned. Right? Mind what really are going on here so is that these two man them is just the two, hold on. I'm gonna ask you this straight now. Is it really the case that President, that's something here. President, I want to know about you, sir. Everything still good? Eh? What? A radio answer. All right, go on. All right. President, I deal with something there. What about the video? Eh? All right, go on, juggle. All right. Some interesting things are happening here, you know. Yeah, so what I say, is it the case then that what really are going on is that she really have two man by choice and that's just how it is?
Let me tell you what going on. The right out man, you see, he have a baby mother. But he work on radio. Well, he usually work on radio.
Yeah.
So the taxi man come pick her up with the radio man. So the radio man, nobody taxi man can anywhere more have to go. A taxi man bring him. So he know everything. The radio man know everything. But the taxi man don't know nothing where I go on.
Yeah, but who should they do it first?
The radio man.
Should they do with the radio man first?
Mm-hmm.
So hold on. But you say, okay, hold on. No, well, you say certain little thing are come into play now. So when she did that with the radio man first, the radio man did that with somebody else.
Yeah, man, radio man have been good baby mother, man. She know about that too. But she never have a problem because she used to take care of the radio man.
What you mean take care of him? Oh.
In little thing she give him. So any man she go take, she take the money and take it and mind the radio man.
So she really love the radio man. That's why him are the main, that's why him are the right out man. Him she really love.
And I feel sort out of the better sort out. You get it?
Him sort out of the better sort out. So, and that's a fear love there. Okay, so that's why him are the man. Because him she really love.
Yes.
So that's why him chose to live like a king, because him really a femme woman, him straight up femme other straight up woman.
Yes, man. He have a straight up woman, man. Yes, man.
Oh, and she cool with that?
Yes, man.
So then your sister then are the side woman then too?
Yeah, man. She know that. She know that. She still cook the steamed fish and the good food and carry in the same way.
Yo, no, that mix up your turnover. Them are some rebooting are going on and the people. President, that thing are gonna come back? Eh? That come back? Alright. No, that one, no, you mash up my head with that one, you know, because you see when I mix up reach a point where you have to process it. When I mix up, you have to process it, you know, say you know, I like them something because
you know to process things just like before you buy your
yeah, cause you know I mean say read and listen though. No, but you see this, you know, you see I'm on the show done tomorrow and the day when I look about my business and thing, I go still be there think about it, you know, and I process it and all these things.
You know, for when no one call and tell about it?
Nah, that one them mad. Me I forgot even all. Because, no, I forgot I'll explain it back to people, you know. I forgot explain it back to people, you know. Like Wednesday, I will explain it back to them, you know.
Every day, I tell her she bad, you know. Because every day, I tell her she bad after 2 man, they eat out of 1 box.
Yeah, but not. So, no. She ever thinks, you ever hear, she meds and I say, boy, because based on what you say, she have no plan to left the man, the radio man.
One man, the radio man dead now, so she have to go with him.
Oh, the radio man dead?
Mm-hmm.
About when in dead?
Since this year in dead and gone.
Since this year the radio man dead?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, at which station you used to work for?
Me not tell you that one. Because you do an interview for the station already too. You. When you come to Jamaica, that's all I will say to you.
When me come to Jamaica, him do an interview with me on the station?
Not him. You do one. They go tell her where he started, but me not tell her which station I started. S. That one there over there, so that station they where they do the interview pan.
Oh, that one there over there, so we start with S.
Over there, so. Yeah, over cross the water over there, so. Mm-hmm.
Cross the water.
Mm-hmm.
Cross the water.
Mm-hmm. Over there, so, man. Right over there, so.
Right over there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Same place over there, so.
Over there, so.
Over there, so. Where you used to drive from the Causeway Bridge, and I call the car.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Same
yes,
place over there. Hey! Why? No, sir, you think it easy? Poop on Jesus, you know. I can't bother. Oh, that mercy. So, we so well on know. So we know. She forgot preach somebody else now.
Well, she move on, you know. She left for the taxi man too.
She left for the taxi man too. Okay. Taxi.
Mm-hmm.
All right, then, I think. Boy, you see that one, I know, I forgot go home and write down all that one, you know, because that one, yeah, you know, That one you just wrap my brain a while ago. Me have to work it out and all these things and match it out.
You're not good match me give man.
No, man, I go, no, school. I carry me go school a while ago, man. I carry me go school a while ago. All when me never did I get it a while ago, you could have just take out the cane and whip me and say, boy, do your long division. Do your long division and figure out the thing. You understand?
No, me go whip you. You never know because me know say you got understand.
Right, eventually, cause Raga bright boy, no? All right, bless yourself. We're going to take a break, you know? All right? Yeah, man, blessings. Take care here. All right, cool. Wait, what you say, Prezi? Oh, Carl. Oh, all right. The boss say, I have to follow what Prezi saying. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings. If you're on earpiece, Bluetooth, yeah, listen to me. Hold on. If you're on earpiece, Bluetooth, or speakerphone, come on, fight. Yeah?
Yeah, you hear me better now?
Much better now. What go on?
No, I listen to the a while ago. Them side man, there are two side man that. None of them are no main man. Both of them are side man.
Well, no. Because of that me did say to you, but what you have to realize, you see, once you understand say your sister is a side woman, then because remember, somebody can depend on the side, but they write out with somebody else who have who they with somebody else, That makes sense?
So it makes sense, but your side woman and then the man where you on the side with him are your main. After the side thing, them stay still. Everything mixed up.
Well, yeah, because that is something that I had to adjust to when the thing had changed. You understand? Because you remember, like me always, I say, I don't know how old you are, but me always explain to people, say, when me did I grow up, if somebody call somebody mate, I'll war that and thing, nobody no want to get mate and whatever. And when Tifa song did come out and thing, Tifa song did go again? Take back the man, we're not taking back because we don't go on already. Oh, that song that they go again. But anyway, with the mate, them a big up themselves, man. You understand? And then we live for say woman a one upside woman status and I say them no want to be wife and
yeah, man, they love it up, man.
Right, so with when the game changed this so now, the definitions that were traditional, they have also changed. So we reach a point in a society now where a side person, somebody who tell us that them dep on the side, will also tell you that the person who them there with, who they write out with somebody else, they must say, no man, am I straight up woman that, or am I straight up man that? If you follow me, what me I say?
Yeah man, I get you.
But what you saying now, you remember me did reach a point where me say, no man. And she a run her thing, man. A two-side man that. But then she go explain it further and say, no, the right out man, whoever she there with, she take from them and she take care of him and all these things and whatever. You understand? It makes sense?
I know to make it work. It makes sense.
But all right. You explain why you say a two-side man. You explain that part.
No, because you see where me couldn't know somebody on the side and I say that's my main man. My main man couldn't have me on the side. Me have to know say me the on the side, him the on the side, so we are juggling things.
Okay.
Me couldn't have you for my main man when me know say you're like this a man. Remember say this a man, over the Sunset Island there, You're
wicked. You think you like it. Me like the code.
So you can't be me.
Me like the code. I which city full of sun, so. I which city full of sun.
Yeah, tell you.
Anyway, what you said now? You explain that part now. What you said?
Yeah, I couldn't be a side woman and the man will be a side woman for my main man. It couldn't work out that way.
It couldn't work out that way. Well.
No, it couldn't work out that way.
But you have to clear during them processes. It's a job that, you know.
Is that wow?
You have to have your rule and your type. It come with a rule, it come with a title, it come with a schedule. You understand? And it come with a call it now. A budget.
No. Explain them there again. What do you mean? Explain them again. What?
It come with a title. You're a side chick, right? That's your title. It come with a role. You have to know to play the role of a side chick in order for you continue in this relationship.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
And then you get up on a budget because when the bills don't pay the house, whatever, left back, if you can get something out of that, you get something out of that. You understand?
Okay. Is that okay. Miss you
right. If you can confuse it up and then get too jealous or feel some type of weird. So just say this is your main man, you're probably going to put in the head, you have some expectation. And you can have expectation if you're aside.
Okay, Miss you what you say.
You still got KFC, and you buy a 3-piece chicken, and you buy a can and the cupboard, then you have a small can and the cupboard, and you can't complain, you know, aside.
What you mean?
But if you go, you add a leg on side, and then give a breast, I add a breast, and then give a side, you can go back and see a breast more on.
No. Explain that again and teach them. Beat them and teach them. Explain that again. Right? So you explain, the difference between being on the side and being mean. And you use a KFC metaphor.
Yeah, that's why you can't confuse it.
Alright, explain it again.
You can't confuse the thing. So when she said that, I am mean man, it can't be a mean man because she's on the side. You understand?
No, but explain the KFC metaphor, yeah.
Alright, so if I say one a 2-piece chicken, one breast and one wing.
Yeah.
And then get leg and thigh. You can't back and say a breast and wing, then change it.
Right.
But if you order one, if you go there, you say you want your side and you want a can on the cup, and then get a maga can. You have to take it because that's side.
That bad, me like that. Tambourine, that bad, me like that reasoning there, me like that meds there, that meds it tough, me love that meds. Yeah.
But people take up the role and it then getting a problem, that's why you have the domestic violence and all of these stuff. When you're going to one role, you have to know the role of your player. You have to know your title, you have to know your body, you have to know all of that. You have to go in there with the head ready for where you come. You have to know to work it out.
No, you see where you match out a while ago, and you see the figure of the metaphor where you use. Our powerful thing, as simple as you take that powerful reason you just make, And then, you say you have title, you have role where you have to play, you have budget to go with it, and thing and all them something. What how you work it out,
Now, brother, a party, where come you know?
Party good as, yeah. You know what I mean for locking by your voice.
Work it out,
yeah.
Before I married,
you was a side woman.
You have some side piece,
You was
I wasn't a side woman. I play the side.
Don't tell me no lie, Patty Goodas. Do not tell me no lie. You were never ever a side woman.
I tell you the truth. I not lie to you, Raga.
Yeah.
I not lie to you.
You were never ever a side woman yet. Never ever. You never take a. You never lock in with a man before you married. Lock in with a man who did there with somebody and you know say you was a side woman.
I mean, was saying there with somebody?
Yeah.
No. Me at the more side, I never know. You understand me?
Okay.
But me never go in a relationship, no, so me on the side.
On the side. Okay. All right.
No.
Right.
Because you see my husband?
Yeah.
In a dating him for 8 months. Him become my boyfriend and can call a cycle, Me never ready for relationship, so nobody wasn't a main man. Me never have a main man. He go up to me and date my husband 8 months into dating him. Me tell him can't call my boyfriend and me can't call him my boyfriend. 8 months.
Okay.
Cause me never ready for none of them stuff. Them a young girl, me never ready for none of them stuff there.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Remember, I used to date one guy when I really checked for when I grew up with.
Yeah.
And I moved from America, I book up the youth. And the youth, him never did on the right side of the law. You understand me?
Cool, no?
So
Yeah.
I think I was like 19 or 20 or whatever. But me I tell you, say, money used to run away, money I run. I never see too much money yet. I live at Western Union because I just from America, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And my parents and family back home. Every week, money I send. And my mother is asking me, when I get money from to send? So I'm saying I work. And she said, well, them up here, you're good.
Seeing. Because you did I send back money to them.
Me I send back, me I build my mother shop. Me I build my mother a convenience store in Jamaica. We still there now.
Seeing.
So money I run. You understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, he get arrested. And when he get arrested, me used to go look for him every Monday, every Tuesday.
Yeah.
Then me meet this man, you know, this man where, like, me used to just, if you profit not every me not deal with you.
Yeah.
Because me not look at man to say me ready to settle on none of them crap. They know me a young girl, me want to go out, me want to have fun.
Yeah.
And I don't want to worry about, me I go look for me go out because the man supposed to can fund that.
Right.
You understand me?
Right.
So me I talk to this guy and the guy in pocket spot and everything, you know. So one day, the guy called me and said, I'm going to change my visitation, you know. I fed that him, you know, and them say, may I change my visitation to Tuesday? Then I change me to Monday. At Tuesday, I used to go, then I change me to Monday, and I say, shit.
No, hold on. You can't say that SH word there. Yeah, man. Go on. Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to reach over that so quick, and me work on Monday, me make my schedule in advance to the work every Tuesday. Only I go get them Monday, I leave work 2 and them the last visit in at 5. I say, okay. So I call up the man, and I say, listen, you know my brother getting in some trouble, and he get locked down over stuff, and if I need a borrow me now, you know. So to me, take a train, me now reach.
Yeah.
I say, can you pick me up and bring me over there?
Yeah.
Him say, no problem. I say, anyway, what I want to do is, my sister them going to come with me. Because when I tell my sister them say, I call them to bring me. Them say, no, I don't feel you to do that. My heart hurt me. I don't feel you to do that. You can't trust that. You just start data mania. What do you think of find out and do your things and whatever? My son come with me. Them say, yeah. So anyway, I meet me on my job then, because I'm going to pick me up on my job. Raga, when the man pick me up on my job, they say, when me start ball on my brother, and my sister, them play along with me. Raga, the man take out $500 to give me for my boyfriend commissary. He put his for your brother commissary.
Then, but you but you call him your boy, the one who the damn lockdown. You say your boyfriend that, right?
Yeah, in me that date for a while. I know him from Jamaica before I come here.
No, but when I
with
say,
that date.
so,
you understand me?
So basically you wasn't the sideman, but you did have a sideman.
No, at the time, me that date only him before him get locked up.
Okay, so after...
You understand?
So
only him me that date at that time.
Right, so after him get locked up and thing, basically you say you take a food for the next man who you did a date in order to help him.
Well, that wasn't the plan, you know. I never asked this man for the money, you know. I just tell this man to bring me over there. So I go look for my brother, because I couldn't tell him to my boyfriend. I say, I go look for my brother where they are jail, where they lock up, just bring me over there. You understand?
Yeah.
But to play it off, I tell him, say, boy, I don't know how serious it is. My brother never get locked up before or whatever. So him say, okay, when I come to the car, him say, here, brother, this, $500.
But you did done beat him. Well on, you did done beat him already and tell him say your brother no depend not no money no commissary and you did tell him anything about that?
Me not tell him none of that. You don't know when man I try impress a man. Me not tell him none of that. Me just tell him say me don't know my brother go manage in there because he never get locked up yet.
That line, well on, the line there where you just say that line there where you just say when man I try impress woman. Yeah. But and then of course you know say you're hot girl and you used to man to try impress you with money, right?
Yeah.
Right.
It's anything in a raga. Just when you carry yourself certain way.
Yeah.
Even my husband. You say my husband make me well husband met me, he never really did a go out with much in the financial department, right?
Yeah.
And him turned to me one day and he said to me, say, I don't know if me up to your standard, you know. Sometimes the way how you carry yourself and them stuff, the men think say, you know what?
Yeah.
Oh, me I go impress this person. Because they want you, so they might try everything to impress you.
Yeah, well,
That's
that is another matter. Cause I always wonder why, you know, I always hear woman say some things about man and when me did have a Calabar, me did have two brethren down at Prembokal who me did have power with for a while. And one of them was fierce boy. He might come up here and turn big model, right? He was fierce boy. Mm-hmm. So, they were, you know, high school and thing. So, anywhere we go, I him the girl them see, right? I him the girl them see, right? Mm-hmm. So, when girl we faced with we and done we and whatever, once them get wrong Gary, them just turn idiot and, you know? And some, y'all even have some will tell you straight up, like, no, of course, me do anything with him cute, you know, high school, you know. So, around them time there, as a youth, me did I understand a whole thing where say, some man just look a certain way, where them not for do nothing, I just fit them think that. Because the running joke with we was like, yo, bring Gary, man, because Gary, a hot girl, we like Gary, but the hot girl, we have a crew, right?
Yeah.
So if the hot girl and Gary end up, the thing is like, me and my other virgin, them, me and Peter and them or whatever, we know say, we can't get the crew. we probably can't get somebody out of the crew. Because, you know, high school, them are roll with the hot girl, you know? So the point I'm making is that from them age, there was an understanding that, listen to me, there is a certain variables that can't change, where you're born with and whatever thing. So I always tell people, so when me did at Jamaica, me did have to work for my one, right? You know, after the whole Ragashanti thing, you know, me get used to woman draft for me. But when me did at Jamaica, no woman never draft for me. So me never know that something there. Me did have to work for my thing at Jamaica, because no woman never just get up and draft for me and things. So what me I say is, that's something there where some people just have it, whatever, them just have a certain plus about them and thing. Where me reach a point now where after that, me just never in a world where me did have to do them type of thing that for impress woman, for get a woman. Yeah, you know what I say? So for me, it's like, after me there with you, you know, and me rate you, and me say, no, are you real to me or whatever, me will do anything for you, you know. And me will impress you because you deserve to get impressed. Yeah, my woman, you understand what I say? But me did have for a long time, me did have a difficulty, you know, to understand when woman talk about man do some, get up and just do some crazy thing for impress woman. Hey, I understand it now. Hey, the first time when woman tell me say, man buy them house and buy them car, me shock. Me say, what you mean buy your house and buy your car? And woman, I never believe them. Now, after we get older and whatever, I know, say, come on, some of that. Man buy woman car and house regular, like nothing. But me, I said, them look for something that I couldn't understand it. I remember one time now, when we there, long time when we there at Jamaica too, and me I tell that some man said, you know, stop do them something that for impress woman, man, and Ray, I spoil woman, them, and Ray. I remember brethren, him very calmly say, Raga, just relax, man. Because you talk to we like say we in the same position where you in. And them I say, you are Ragashanti, you know, certain things. And I like to say everybody gonna like me, of course, because I don't know you don't like me, but you know, he must say, no, but woman gonna like you because you're Ragashanti. He must say, we are Ragashanti. We have to work for our one. So that's know him bring me back to when we did in high school. I remember that something I know where me did have to work for my one too. And Gary never did that for work. So I saw, I humble myself and I say, I stop impose them things upon them and I tell them, say, yo, stop do them things that for impress woman and Ray, we not spoil woman because everybody, you know, them things set different and you have to balance your thing different. But, you know, this whole notion where some man just go all out for impress woman and thing and whatever. And then my logic now with them something there, you know. When me always, the problem when me always have with man with them thing there, you know. Them get the woman them pan them level, and then after them, they with the woman, them start cuss when the woman still stays so.
Yeah, when them done broke them bad already.
Thank you. So at that, I say, but so you get her. That is the type of woman where you get. It's you. Why you think she attacked you? Because that is what you used to impress her. So don't start nothing where you can't continue. That me tell you them. Don't start nothing where you can't continue.
But as a young girl, me know say it's not gonna be like that forever. You understand?
Yeah.
When I was growing up, and once you know what you start mature up and stuff like that. My mother always used to say when we there Jamaica, my mother always used to say to my dad, "Why are we not problem? You know, we not problem because you know what when your body has changed and your mother see you should know what say you know what whatever."
Yeah.
So I used to hear my mother used to say that I mean no say okay. Me used to feel you know what them stuff they used to then I made them say oh. So when me come to America and the men used to just buy me stuff. Men used to just buy me stuff for no reason. You understand me?
Yeah.
Some people me used to talk to and them call me and say, I can't get them, so my phone broke. My phone now work. And before I leave work, them will bring me a phone.
But before you get a brand new phone, don't?
Yeah, before I leave work, I get a brand new phone. You understand? When me meet my husband, the first let me say financial never up there. You understand? But when him start work and him finish college and him start building himself, the first vehicle him buy me is a 3 Series.
Right.
But then I know that I had to build myself too, and him helped me build myself.
Right.
You understand? So that because my mother always said 2 things. When you're married, make sure there's a purpose why you're getting married, different from love. Make sure that the person who you're marrying to love you more than how you love them. You understand? My mother always said that. And she said, I will find a man who can provide for you, but you have to be able to sit in a position where you can provide for yourself with or without that man. So those things was always in my head.
Okay.
So even though during that period of time of dating, wasn't to find a man to take care of me. I was just there enjoying that moment of men just giving me stuff. Okay,
man just give you stuff. All you have to do is just say certain things and then
just give me stuff.
But all right then. But before we break though, the point you did make originally is that a 2 sideman that she never dealt with one, right?
She never dealt with none of them. None of them couldn't be mean. None of them could be a main man.
But the point that I was making to but the point that I was making to you, how times change now where somebody who know them on the side and involved with somebody who them know they with somebody else right out, even though that person they with somebody else right out, they would say them on the side, but that person they are them straight up woman, are them straight up man. You understand how that changed too, don't you?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, you just not agree with it, but you understand it.
I understand it, yeah.
All right.
I understand it.
Yeah. All right.
And them people they see the wife and go and want fight. And them people they see the wife and want fight, you know.
No. Hold on. You have woman and man in them position, the man, and them govern them thing, man, and them don't fight. You know, what she explained with her sister. Some of the people on Facebook couldn't never get the fullness of the thing. So make me just tell you know where I go on because just so you're pretty good as them thing did cut out and forward, you know. So people are pretty good as if me get it wrong, you correct me. So make me just tell you know. They miss nothing, you know. I'm going to tell them the truth. They miss the juice, the art of the thing. I'm not going to vex. It's not my fault. The thing did crash and them reboot it and things. So we will start out that later. But let me just tell you now all the things said. The part one here and the part one here. So basically what she explained was that our sister, they were the taxi man. The taxi man think him was a right out man. But our sister said she have the taxi man I think him was a right out man, but him was a side man. But the sister have another man who the sister said him was a right out man. But here we get complicated now. But the right out man, him and fame right out woman, him baby mother. Who him there with. And the sister know say him and fame baby mother who him did there with before she. And she just accept it. And anybody who the sister get on the side, she take money from them and she mine who she consider to be a right out man who live with him baby mother and him picnic. Me get it right, Patty Good as me explain everything.
You get it right.
Me get it right. So all I want to get cut out, that was the thing. So Patty Good as a call in and I said, no. A two sideman that. I don't even two sideman, I just two man then, right? That's all partner. Wouldn't even say sideman because side by definition means say you have to have a main man. So if you are saying there is no main man, well she just there with two man. But then again, Patty Good as but you have to account for the fact that she take the taxi man money and a mine the other man who a fame woman and him pick the who him live with. The radio man. So based on how she a treat them, clearly one is a main man for she. But people won't never hear is that.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, Patty Good as it bring up a great metaphor, a KFC metaphor. And Patty Good has said, when you go KFC and if you buy a 3-piece meal, and if you say you want leg and thigh, if them go give you breast and wing, she say you can argue back. And say, no, a leg and thigh, I want to take back this and them have to give you a leg and thigh, meaning the main part. But she said, if them give you can and want fries, right? If them give you can and thing and the can too small, people are really make no argument for the side that them just work with the small can, them can't make nothing. So she has said, your argument was the main, there's a distinct difference between main and side. And thing, and she and based on that, she make an argument saying no main and side never did this about a two side. But Patty Good at with all due respect, based on the metaphor you use, then the man who the main man who she call her main man who they would live with him woman and picnic. Then him and the chicken man and the taxi man and the can and the fries. President.
That's what the sister said.
Hold on, President, say we have to take a break. But Patty Good that before you go big up yourself, you know, for the reasoning for free up Saturday gone, you know. May I tell you the show slap way, man.
Yeah, man.
The show slap way, you know. All right. You don't know. Saturday again. This Saturday again, free up again. Here.
All right, I'll be there.
All right, blessings, man. Cool. People, President say we have to take a break, but I just want to remind you, and I said this Saturday is the third episode of the brand new Free Up on the Ragashanti channel. The name Ragashanti World, which we take off the world, them saying about a complicated. Right? So this Saturday again, 8 o'clock New York time, US East Coast time and thing, which is 5 o'clock on the West Coast, and 7 o'clock Jamaica time. Free Up again this Saturday, so I want to make sure sound lucky. The channel is called Ragashanti over YouTube. You know, just come in and make we enjoy. So I will break with soon for. Oh, for those that want to hold the thing cut out pound, let me talk to Prezi, because we're going to figure out what we can do for the ear, we want to never hear. All right? I will break with soon for. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah, man, we are juggle down and I sitting, boy. Me get school with something in the night and what the boy, everything, you know. What I'm telling all the while, I like with Mixup, you know, you can learn from it, you know. Nobody follow what people say. You know, them have this thing I say. Mix up by definition, it necessarily involves, unhealthy minds, and that is a form of carelessness. Some people even think it's a sin. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican who believe that. They basically determine mix up as gossip, and it's ungodly. Again, it is nonsense. It is nonsense, because what we call mix up is an unavoidable reality, is an unavoidable constant of life, right? And what people write in books you can learn from, what people put in a TV you can learn from, what people go up on social media and give speech you can learn from. But most of that is not natural. It's staged, it's presented, it's packaged, right? Very often when you can explain events that occur in their natural organic form, which very often we refer to as mix-up, or to use a synonym to say when you explain the thing, or it's real, right? So when you can explain the real thing, and that's how you learn, right? So we rate Barack Obama and thing, but anyone who know in private life and thing would have probably learned more from him. Anyone will know Pope Francis' private life would have probably know more from him. Just like when we know what really go on with people as opposed to what them say and what them present, at that time we know the reality of life. And therein lies the value of mix-up, where you can really learn what go on. I mean, I need to tell you, what people say and what they do are two different something. What people say publicly and what they do privately is two different something. Anyway, good night. Hello.
Nah, no close, Reggae.
What go on?
Me there. You see the girl what call about her sister on the radio, man?
Yeah. President, take all of some of the black thing from him. Yeah.
Two of them are idiot. Both the radio man and the girl, because all you have your bona fide woman, your right up woman, and accept sideman, want an next man, things know an next man are rever.
No. You see it? And that's why I tell you, say, the thing kind of complex because you misunderstand something, you know, and that is what I was explaining to Patty Goodas. All right. I want to think now in terms of direction, right? In the past, we define things based on what you'd call, would I say something is something based on what is happening in both directions. And the way you have to understand this, you have to understand it, so it defines one way going in one direction and define another way going in another direction. And the important distinction here is this. You have people out there, and this is standard, you know this already, so I'm going to tell you, you're going to agree. You have people out there who say, that's my woman, and that is my man. But the woman or the man don't consider you for them woman or for them man or for them main man or for them main woman. But you have people who don't business, so the person don't consider them that. Them still see that person as for them man or for them woman. And them still say, that's a woman there with. That is the person who there with. So the sister, she basically see the man as for her main man. That is her man. Even though the man live with him woman with him picnic or whatever, and even though she knows she dip on the side from theme direction to she. So from theme direction to she on the side of man. But from fear direction to him is her main man.
Yeah, but she still have to end up a pay for the corner.
But even that can get complex too, I'm going to tell you why. The simplistic definition for we who observe them something there is for say, if a woman in another place there, well, our self-esteem, the thing we hear people from, oh, she not her self-esteem, this and that. Our dung they not good. Our juju not good. That's why she have to this, she have mind man and whatever. Suppose I tell you sometimes them things they way more complex. Let me give you an example. I know a woman who have no problem to take care of a man. And then if people know say them do that, them have done them and say them same thing there. But I have talked to women in that position, and them give various explanations what work for them and satisfy them. For example, I've talked to women in that position who say, no man, the psychological benefit we get from being with this man is so incredible, him deserve it. Or he was there for me in such an incredible way that I would never, or he understands me like no other man has ever understood me before. So I'll take care of him, And then you have a next set of woman who will say something like, no, me don't want there with no man, whatever, and he's just right where I want a man to be in my life. All I want is a companion. And I have my money, and I have my this and that, and he's really nice to me, and he put it on for me good, and we have fun and whatever. Me have the money, him don't have it. So I don't mind, I don't mind spending on him. The point I'm making is their explanation involve other elements in the equation. But to people who are observe it, they are one-dimensional in characterizing it. So them just say, no. For she as a whole woman, I take care of this man. Or for she as a woman, I take care of this man. Or Jojo no good. Or so and so are good. When you talk to she, it's way more complex than that. And the same thing with man too. You talk to man who will do anything for woman. And them say, oh, them man, they who them have to spend per woman, and you hear the song, them, you have to spend money to get front and rear. And sometimes when you talk to them man there, and you hear them man, they talk about how that woman there, what she mean to him and what she has meant to him, how she has been there for him over the years before or whatever. That him reach a point where he must say, no, I'm not an idiot, but she can't get anything from me because Ray. Sometimes it's way more complex than you know.
Yeah. And the next thing again, Raga, the thing where you say about the son killed the mother.
Yeah.
And people say, whosoever say, God have a better place here.
Yeah, God have a higher plan here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. God no kill nobody. People kill people.
No, all right.
Right?
Me not like touch them something there, because people them love, them love to get suspicious and say, oh, how you deal with or whatever. So, but me just say, them for cut out them foolishness there,
Yeah, people kill people. And number one, if indeed have a better place, we should go play music or sing.
You have to call me back Wednesday, because President say time I done. Do me, I beg you. We can probably just bring it up back briefly Wednesday, yeah?
All right, take care.
All right.
Cool.
But just real quickly, people, what I just want to know, if you don't follow that logic there, remember, the people them who implement slavery, did say a God, it was by God's design why them are the favored, race, the white race for God, and the black people them are animal and thing, and them use God for justify it. So if you don't agree with that, if you say God would have never do that, justify slavery in that way, and want to not try to explain why it was allowed to continue, then enough to stop say them something there. When something brutal happened to somebody, you say it was God design, God whatever, because if you follow on then that mean God wicked. I want to not think about them something there, but just whatever. Anyway, take care of yourself, people. I'll be back on Wednesday. Right? Same place as at 9 o'clock Jamaica time, 10 o'clock US time. I will try to fix the thing when we do the replay and thing and whatever. So when I look on YouTube, go over to Ragashanti channel and follow the Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms. Follow the Bridge 99 FM. Wednesday, people, take care of yourself. Out the road. Cool.